Hello girls, my name is Mtasa and I'm the Managing Director for Telone. I'm excited to receive you for the Girls Empowerment and Mentorship Program which Telone is launching today. It's a hearty congratulations to you all for having been chosen for this empowerment program. It was not an easy process, and I would like you to really value this opportunity that you are being given for you to become part and parcel of our empowerment program. Unfortunately, I couldn't meet you all physically because of the COVID-19 pandemic. We know that this is the new normal where we have to do things online, but it's going to be good because you are still going to be learning. This life-changing opportunity, you must use it to your best advantage because you'll be exposed to quite a number of modules and also mentorship. I hope even a few of you may be able to come and experience real life experiences at the workplace. I remember those times when I used to have some ladies coming from other schools even into my office. I'm actually looking forward to receiving a few of you in my office so that you can see how it is and that you can also aspire to be managing director, also to be an engineer or any that you would choose to be. I hope that you are going to enjoy the few weeks that we'll be spending together and that you'll be learning from Telone as well as from all those that will be participating in the group program. The world is your oyster. Just receive it the way you are. At your young age, you can achieve anything that you want to be. So welcome once again and enjoy. I love you all.
Hello girls, and welcome to our very exciting Telone Girls Empowerment Program, which is going to be running for the next 1 year, 2021 to 2022. The objective of this program is to empower you through imparting personal value, self-worth, self-esteem, self-confidence, and of course, to show you that indeed any dream can come true, no matter your background, no matter where you are right now. Where you're coming from doesn't matter. We've been running this for the past 2 years, so many other girls have already been through it, and everybody get to like it. They've got relationships that are still ongoing, even those that came from 3 years ago. It's exactly what we want to be happening to you girls. This is something that is targeting you girls who are in secondary school, aged between 15 and 18. It's a whole 200 of you who are part of this program. This is a big opportunity that you have gotten. Let me take this opportunity to quickly give you a brief on the Telone Girls Empowerment Program. Firstly, there is the mentorship program. We created this under our corporate social responsibility, where we were asking women leaders in Telone to do something for the community, to pay it forward by being mentors to you girls. Besides the mentorship, we are also going to be having some serious training programs. You are going to be trained by different industry experts on the different topics, and you'll be supported by your mentors as you go through the training programs. Firstly, leadership development. We want you to be lady leaders. If you've been through this program, of course, you have to become that empowered woman, powerful woman leader. So that is the objective of our leadership development program. You are also going to be trained on financial literacy. You can't be a leader who doesn't understand money, who doesn't understand how to make money, who doesn't understand how to budget. We think for us to be able to support you into becoming that power woman, you need to understand money. That's why we are having financial literacy as one of the courses that's going to come to you. Thirdly, we are going to have life skills. We don't want to just teach you on keeping money that you can't make. In the past, we were not actually giving other girls an opportunity around life skills. But you are the lucky ones, because with you, we are now starting to put life skills to be part of this program. We all know that this is the digital age we are in. Right now, we are talking to each other. We are already learning, but this is virtual. This is over a platform. So we think that we can never say it's enough without taking you through basic ICT and basic social media skills. I know that many of you are already on social media. When I say social media, I mean WhatsApp, I mean Facebook. Some already know Twitter. If you don't know it, you are going to learn about it. But besides this, we just don't want you to know that there are these platforms. You must know the advantages, the disadvantages. The training is very important so that you know the boundaries, you know the opportunities, you know the possibilities. There are businesses that are being run using social media. So you have to know, you have to understand how this can be done. I want to talk about grooming and etiquette, which is the 5th course that you are going to benefit from. You are a lady. Impressions are created by how we look, how we carry ourselves around. People tend to listen to those people who are assertive, who are confident, and of course you can only get that if you are well groomed. I want you to finish this program being very conscious about how you look, being very conscious about how you carry yourself around, how you interact with other people. And last but not least, guidance and counseling. You must understand your sexual and reproductive health rights. You must understand what comes with growing up. This is the content of this program, and this shall run as series which are going to be sent to you via the platform on WhatsApp. And we are going to be sending out as hard copies some materials for you to read. You are going to meet Mrs. Mtasa in person. You are going to meet your trainers in person. You are going to meet the other 200 girls from all over Zimbabwe, where we are going to round off our program by seeing each other, by being practical, and then we graduate at a very big event, and you get a certificate that you are a Tel One queen. You know what it is to be a leader. You are ready to conquer the world. You know that where you are right now does not define what you are going to become. From me, Melody Harry, it's game on. Let's do this. You are going to be hearing a lot from the team at Tel One, a lot from your mentors, a lot from the trainers. And once again, congratulations, and let's do this.